Hi guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Sam if you guys are new. Today we are doing an extreme clean with me, cleaning my disgusting messy room because it's been a super long time since I've done a deep clean and my room is messy. Let me just show you what we're working with. So this is what we are working with. So we're gonna clean all this spick and span. Life has been so crazy, so do not judge. We're gonna start with this section. I have my trash bag right here. I really need to just organize these little cubby things that I have. So this one is typically for my skincare. I have so much random stuff that I either just need to declutter and throw away or, you know, get rid of and reorganize. So we're gonna just dump all that out, throw some of this stuff away, have my trusty dusty Clorox wipes, and I'm just gonna wipe this down because it's been a while since I've last wiped this down. Get it nice and clean, and I think what I'm gonna do is, I have a face mask, I have some samples, put those on the side right here. I'm gonna organize this from most used to least used. I'm gonna throw this away. Okay, so here we just have all of my skincare that I'm putting in. I also have my earring cleaner, have some oils. Again, all of this is stuff that I do use. I just need to find a place for it and a home for it. There we go. It's looking nice so far. It is so hard to keep your room clean if you're not a clean person necessarily. All right. First little bin is done. I'm gonna speed through this and clean the rest of it.
Everything goes white. I can feel the breeze. Euphoric delight. Only you and me. Pour your honey, sickly sweet. Keeps me coming, got me weak. You could kill me, I'd still be. Darling, your number 6 feet deep. Oh, it's real hard to break this habit. It's like I want you 24/7. When I'm without you, boy, I feel sick. Think you work better than a prescription. Nothing feels as good as you do. If you ever leave, I'll be real sad. Let's both hope that it don't get so bad. Pour your honey, sickly sweet. Keeps me coming, got me.
How? I'm not utilizing my space correctly, so I think what I'm gonna do, this is usually where I keep my shoes. I'm gonna take out all of my shoes here and reorganize this. Also, I have my laundry basket in here, which just takes up too much space. So I'm gonna take this out and find a new place for it. my vacuum in here. So I'm gonna just take all this out. We are making some progress, you guys. Next step is just getting rid of all these clothes here. I have just so many clothes just piled. Also throwing away some trash.
I'm trying to get you on my mind less, but then again I couldn't mind less. Got me like, what's in your coffee? I hope you call me and we can talk about our hobbies, yeah. Like finding movies to get lost in, and quoting phrases from The Office. What's it like to wear that halo? So sweet it's painful. So would you put me on your payroll, girl? I know it's probably not too healthy. You got me over here obsessing. Whoa, friends call me stupid, call me crazy. Well, so long to sanity.
Alright, you guys, we are all done. Look at how great that looks. Amazing. I'm so happy. Don't mind that. I gotta do my laundry. That is the next task, but this is it for my cleaning my room video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Love you guys all so much, and have a good day.